Hi, we've been going over all the details of the auto start in Hlwm. We've just gone through those, and the next up is the text or the workspaces. So we have here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So workspaces like we do have in also in i3 and other tiling window managers. I'm pressing Super Tab and Super Shift Tab. So to move from workspace 1, 2, 3, but not really using them. Often I just take the mouse and go where I need to go. Now that's tag names. Now we can have the numbers, which is okay, and standard it's like that, but you could make your own tags. And something in your mind says, look, 1 should be browsers, 2 should be some text editing, 3 I want to have GIMP there, 4 it's going to be etc, etc. You just change anything you like and make it so. So we should switch between them, right? So what do? You just hashtag this one out, say this one is the one I like or prefer, and then there's something you should do. A Super Shift R is not the way to do it, so let's be educational and not do it the right way. You see, it's not gonna work. It's going to keep both of them active. So Super X needs to be done. You need to log out and let auto start do its thing again. This is the frame, by the way, you were looking at. Now it's gone. Here you have all now the things you need to have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Correct. I just thought that was one. We forgot one, but 10 workspaces is our intention. We can have less, that's okay. The thing is, you can change whatever you like in this setup. So if we go for the number 3 there, we can do that as well. Super space is going to tile it another way. If you don't like to work like this, you like to work like that. Super Q to quit, and scroll down here to the other one. So this one is then out, and this one is all Roman numbers. So Super X, let's do it right this time. Log out, log in, and we have a different kind of look. Anything is okay for me. So that's the way how we change your tags, and let's maybe keep this one in the next videos.